Man, look at the motivation we got for you guys, man. Astroice Jewelry in the building. You already know, you see what's happening back there. Beautiful buildings. We're out here in downtown Toronto, man. Giving you guys love. What's up, guys, man? Back again with another YouTube video for you guys, man. And for today, we're gonna be reviewing this beautiful chain right here. It's a hybrid link of a Gucci link and a Cuban link put together. And this is rose gold and white gold mix. All right, guys, I'm gonna be going over this chain for you guys. I'm gonna give you guys all the details on this chain, how great this box lock is, the shine test on this chain. Everything you guys need to know about this chain is gonna be in this video, man. And also, before we get into it, the giveaway winner for our last video is gonna be at the end of this video. So guys, please watch through the entire video all the way to the end and find out who won that 12mm prong set Cuban Link set. All right, guys, here you guys see a close-up of this beautiful chain right here, man. Look how crazy this chain looks. Beautiful stones, beautiful color. That's the bracelet right there and the beautiful chain right here. Alright, guys, so there's the chain up nice and close. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the back color too. Look how beautiful that back color is. Rose gold and white gold put together. You guys can see that right there. There's the front of the chain. You guys can see that right there. Show you guys a side view. Hopefully it's focusing. There's the box lock, beautiful box lock. That box lock shines like crazy. And there's the part that goes into it to lock it and make sure it's in place correctly. Let's go ahead and go over this box lock real quick. So you go ahead and open this up. Then you get the other side. You put it in its position right here. You clip that in. Hear that lock. And once that's it, you guys know Astroice pulls their chains, man. It showed you guys how amazing the quality on these chains are, man. You guys have that. Look how beautiful that is right there. You guys have the whole chain right there with that beautiful lock. This beautiful pattern of Gucci link and Cuban link put together. Look how crazy that looks right there. Alright, guys, so some details about this chain. It's 19mm. The stones are set very nice. I'm gonna bring it up really close so you guys can see how big these stones that are set into here are, which give it amazing shine. So if you guys are looking for a chain that's gonna shine like crazy, this is your chain right here. This chain, when you have it under the flashlight, under the sunlight, anything, it's gonna shine like crazy and you're gonna stand out. Alright, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a shine test, but before I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and put it on. I'm gonna go ahead and put the chain on and the bracelet on. So I'm gonna go ahead and put them on. I'm gonna zoom it up a little bit so you guys can see it up nice and close. So let me go ahead and put them on for now. Very nice chain, as you guys can see from there. I'm gonna go ahead and put the bracelet on now. Alright, got the chain and the bracelet on. I'm gonna go ahead and zoom it up for you guys and show you guys how it's looking up nice and close. Alright, guys, here it is up nice and close, man. You guys can see how crazy and beautiful this chain is, man. Super icy. And the links on this chain just look crazy, man. You guys can see with the Gucci and the Cuban link put together, you guys cannot go wrong with this chain, man. Look at this. Alright, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a shine test and show you guys how crazy these chains shine. Alright, guys, so here comes the flash test. There you guys see it right there. Get you guys a little bit closer. Look how crazy that's shining on the neck like that. And the reason why this chain shines like crazy is because the stones that are set inside of this chain are very big. So these big stones shine like crazy. There you guys can see it right there. Look at the side of the neck shining like that. Other side of the neck shining like that. And that bracelet too. Don't get it twisted. The bracelet shine like, ooh, look at that box lock, man. Where are you guys gonna get a chain that shines that much, man? Look at this. Look how crazy this is. So, man, you guys already know where to go, man. Astroice Jewelry, astricejewelry.com, man. The link is gonna be in the description. Everything is gonna be there. Guys, go ahead and cop your ice, man. Get icy. Come get your ice, man. We got everything, man. We got watches, rings, chains, glasses, everything you guys need, man. We got them there. Especially the bracelets to match the chain, man. So a beautiful chain right here, man, and a beautiful bracelet. Alright, guys, now it's time to announce who won this giveaway, man. So let's get to it. Alright, guys, so now it's time to pick the winner. I have it in a YouTube random comment selector, and we're gonna see who won this giveaway, man. So let's get to it. Go ahead and press start. Bop, 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 bop. And let's see. The winner is Follow Me on IG. Dang, their YouTube name got a whole shout out for him, man. You smart, you smart. Alright, so the winner is Follow Me on IG, MugWorld3X. MugWorld3X. And their comment was, I'm gonna go ahead and read it to you guys because it's kind of small. Their comment was, Junior, and we would like to see your jewelry compared to Gold Gods. Alright, guys, so the next video I might purchase something from Gold Gods and compare it to our chain, and you guys might get a comparison, man. So I'm gonna try to make that video happen for you guys. Let me take a screenshot of this and follow me on IG, MugWorld3X. go ahead and DM us on Instagram, Astroice_jewelry, and we'll go ahead and get these chains shipped out to you, man. So congratulations on that. If you guys want more giveaways, man, comment down below and let us know what giveaways you want for what chain. And we'll be sure to do more giveaways, man. This was really fun. You guys really smashed that comment section, man. We had like 30 comments in the first like hour of the video being posted. So thank you guys for everything, man. I'm gonna go ahead and end this video off for you guys. Thank you everybody for watching, man. And thank you guys for all the Black Friday and Cyber Monday sales. You guys killed it, man. It was crazy. You guys had me super busy, man. And just thank you guys for everything, man. All your orders have been shipped out, so now you guys just have to wait, man. They're coming. It's been really busy. I'm sorry if it takes a little bit longer, but there was a lot of orders for us to do. But everything is shipped out now, and everything is on the way. I'm glad you guys took opportunity of those crazy sales we had on our website. We had custom letters for $18 a letter. We had the vermil chain of this, so a real silver base of this chain, the 19mm, for like around $450. You guys will never find that price anywhere else. Our Black Friday sales were ridiculous. I'm really happy that you guys took advantage of those sales, and a lot of people got iced out with Astroice jewelry for amazing prices. So thank you guys so much, man, for everything, for all the support, everything you guys have been doing. And guys, please do us a favor, man. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification button for all of our next videos so you guys can stay updated. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one. All right, so for you guys that stay to the end of the video, man, here's that sneak peek of what we have coming up very soon. These are solid 14 karat chains right here. A beautiful 14 karat humps up pendant right here. We have a lot of new stuff coming. This is just a little sneak peek. We have a lot more different styles of chains, a couple more pendants. So guys, stay updated for these reviews coming up soon of our 14 karat collection. There's just a little sneak peek. That's all you guys get. Stay updated to our YouTube channel for the videos that we're posting next, because the next videos are going to be of these 14 karat chains. Probably gonna do one chain at a time, give you guys a review of the rope, of the Cuban, of the Figaro, of the Franco, and all the other stuff we have. Alright guys, thank you guys for staying to the end of the video. See you guys in the next one. Peace.